Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW, and in this video I will show you on how to bring out color wheel for easy color management of your design in CorelDRAW. Let me show you how. So let's say for instance I'm trying to create a shape right here. So I'll go to my shape tools right here. I decide to select on my ellipse tool, then I go ahead and press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect shape right here. Now this particular shape right here, so I can decide to fill it with different types of color. But in some cases, when you are trying to, by default, you have your current color scheme right here. So in some cases, you may decide to choose different range of a particular color. So as a result of that, you need to bring out your color wheel in CorelDRAW. So for instance, if I decide to choose this particular color right here, and it's going to automatically fill. But in this range of color, I want to get more color in this range. How do you do that? What we want to do right here is to make sure we go ahead, we come to top right here, we click on window. Then from window, we have to go ahead and make sure we go to Then from window, we have to go ahead and make sure we go to Dockers. Then from Dockers, we have to make sure we navigate to color right here. Go ahead and hit on color. Then in a few minutes, it's going to bring out the color wheel of a particular color you choose when you are working in your CorelDRAW, just like what you see right here. Now here, you can switch from different types of color templates. Like for instance, I can decide to switch from CMYK to RGB or what have you. So for that, go ahead and click on here. Then you have a series of color scheme right here. You can easily switch to RGB from the options right here. Then if you want to locate this particular color you choose right here, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular high color dropper right here. Click on that, then go ahead and take it to the color, sample it. Once you sample it, it will automatically be reflected in the color wheel right here. So which simply means that this is exactly the color you choose right here. So I'm going to switch back to the color wheel. So here in color wheel, you can choose from show color viewer, or better still, you can choose to show color slider. So under the color slider, you can begin to choose from slider right here. You can go ahead and play around with the color code from the options right here, or better still, you can use show color palette. So when you click on show color palette, it's going to give you a variety of types of color in the palette right here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the color wheel right here. Once you switch back to the color wheel, we can switch from the RGB right here and switch to another HSB, and it's still going to give us different color code right here, just like what you see. So if I go ahead and choose CMYK, you have the code. Then if you go ahead and switch to another, if I decide to switch to lab color right here, it's going to give us different color code and they maintain the same color right here. So you can go on and choose different type of color right here. The more you drag out up and down, it's going to be reflected from the color right here. Then you have the color code. So you can decide to use the color code